Hi everybody, Rachel here. As we head into parent-teacher conferences later this week, wanted to put together a quick video to show you how to make sure the host controls in your Google Meet are set up correctly so that you'll be able to admit parents one at a time instead of having anybody and everybody pop in whenever. So So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the MVHS Parent-Teacher Conferences 2020 spreadsheet. This has been emailed out several times, and you'll get another email later today, Tuesday, October 20th, with a link to this and some instructions, including this video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the spreadsheet, you're going to find your name, and you're going to click on your Google Meet link that you've already created and put in this document. So I'm going to go down to the bottom where I've created a test link. Just for the purpose of being able to demonstrate this to you. And I'm going to go ahead and open that Google Meet link. And so what you're going to want to do on the day of conferences, before conferences begin, you're going to go into the call. You'll click Join Now. And you're going to double check your host controls. What we have learned, even though you might have created these same host control settings when you created the link, it appears that those settings only remain in place for a 24-hour period. So we have to go back in now and make sure that those are set up the way we want. So you're going to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Then you'll click on Settings, Host Controls, and you're going to turn off Quick Access. And then hit X, and that's all you need to do. And now at this point, you've got the host control set up correctly, and you can sit here and wait for your first parent to join. So I really quickly want to show you what parents will see. When they go to your link, they will be prompted to click this button that says Ask to Join. And when they click that button, you are going to get a prompt on your screen as the host of the meeting that will prompt you to either admit them to the meeting or deny them entry, and I'll show you that. Okay, and so now you can see, here I am back in the meeting as host, just as you will be, and what's happened here, a window pop up in the middle of my screen, letting me know that someone wants to join the meeting. The bummer about this is that I can't, no matter how hard I try, I can't move it to the side. So you might be finishing up your last conference, and this will pop up letting you know that the next parent is ready to join. You can either let this sort of sit in the middle of your screen and wait until you're done with your conference and the other person leaves, and then at that point you can admit the parent, or if you're not ready and they're super early, you can deny entry, and it will let them know that they were denied entry, and they'll have to wait a few minutes and then ask to join again. I will let you know that as a mom, I attended a Google Meet parent-teacher conference last week for my son. When I went to click on the link to ask to join at my scheduled time, I got a notification that entry was denied, and I just assumed that that teacher was still finishing up their last conference. I waited a couple minutes, I clicked on the button again, and then she admitted me. So just know that's kind of how that works for you as a host. To get that window to disappear in the middle of your screen, you'll either need to click admit or deny, or you can just let it float there for a minute until you're ready to make a decision. And that's kind of how it works. So thank you. Just again, to make sure your host controls are set up correctly, you're going to click on the three dots in Google Meet. You're going to go to Settings. You're going to click on Host Controls, and you want to make sure that Quick Access is turned off. All right, best of luck to you with conferences. Yay!